Hi, welcome to the Grid Resilience Student Group Discord server. I'm going to show you around and tell you how to assign yourself a university role so that you can get access to specific chats. So when you join the Discord server, you'll be dropped into this page. It says Welcome and Rules. Either there or the server guide. The server guide has some resources, has that same those same chats here, which you can access, and those will become very important later. But if you are in Welcome and Rules, go ahead and read our rules about conduct inside the server. And then the first thing you want to do actually is come over to Get University Roles. So Get University Roles is under server information over here, and this is how you're going to assign yourself your specific university. So whatever university you're from, go ahead and just respond to this message with that emoji, and then you'll assign yourself the role from that school. And we have all of the schools in the U.S. Canada Center on Climate Resilience in the Western Interconnected Grid. Everybody from the Wired Center is here. So head over here, get yourself a role. You can also, in channels and roles, if that is kind of confusing for you, you can also answer this question here, and it should assign you roles in the same way. And there's also a browse channel option up here. This one just has all of the channel options, and you can see all of them and add the ones that you want. Seems like there's a lot, but don't get overwhelmed. I'm going to walk you through all of them. So once you've assigned yourself a role, then it's time to interact with the rest of the server. So there are three kind of sections that everyone's a part of from every university. Those are announcements and resources, text channels, and voice channels. Announcements and resources has 4 sections. One is the calendar events. So this is going to be where you can find out about Wired events, but also Grid Resilience Student Group specific events. Those can also be seen by clicking up here, that little event button. So right now you can see we have 2 events on the horizon. These are things that people are welcome to attend. Some of them are virtual and some of them are in person. But yes, that's how the calendar features work. Next in announcements is the opportunities page. So this is where we post about scholarships, internships, research opportunities, things like that. We also have a channel for global news and one for newsletter topics, and that's where you can see all of the proposed and worked on newsletters that we've written in the Grid Resilience Student Group. So the next things are our text channels. So we have our group chat here with everybody from all the different schools. Hot Off the Press is a place where you can go look at recent research that different students have published, and also feel free to post your own recent publications here in Hot Off the Press. Memes for All is where we try to cheer each other up with memes, and then Requests and Suggestions is a place where you can bring up problems that you find with the server itself. Okay, and the last section that everyone has access to is this voice channel section. There are 3 meetings in this place, and you're welcome to use those however you would like. And then earlier I was talking about how you can assign yourself a role. So if you go ahead and do that, then you'll automatically get access to one of these folders. You'll see down here. So I have all of them right now, but when you either respond to this message to give yourself a university role or answer that question that I showed you, then you'll open up university-specific chats. So each one has its own chat group, its own place for university-specific jobs and internships, local university news, and then a calendar page, a chat, and a separate voice chat for that university. And then those are for all of them. So you can interact with people for events and news specific to your university here, or participate in the group-wide conversations in these chats here. That's it. Thanks for joining our server. We're looking forward to getting to know you better.